Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can change the cart icon in WooCommerce, so let's get right into it. Now, I will be using this Woostify article because I do not have a subscription to WordPress, so I cannot access WooCommerce and change things over there. However, I will be going through the two options that are outlined in this article, which are very useful, and you can learn a lot from them, and it should be very easy to follow. Now, the first thing I'm going to show you guys is you can change it through the CSS file, and you can get a new file from the icon library. Just go to Font Awesome or whichever icon library you would like, search up for a cart icon, and then just download it. Now, as you can see, this site only needs this icon, which they've selected over here, and then they will just take that over, copy it over, and then they'll go to their CSS file and just paste that icon over here where it is needed. You just need to locate the cart icon within the CSS, and that should be pretty much it. You can also use the CSS file to change the font size if you want, but that is completely dependent on your wishes. You can also change it to an image. Apart from using the icon font, you can use the image style as well. Then you can consider adding the shopping cart icon shortcode, which you see here. Just copy this over, and that should be enough for you. You just change it to a picture. Under URL, you should just add the image link, as you can see here. That is exactly what it looks like, and that should change your icon as well. You can also use the WooCommerce Elementor plugin or the header footer builder. Just go to options, header footer builder, and then activate. Once you've of course connected Woostify to your WordPress site, then just go to the header footer builder, add a custom header template, and then you can just select for the header, and you just need to go to Woostify and select the cart icon widget, and then you can add it to your header in the Elementor plugin. And that is basically all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.